dilutions and erosion and additions, and then example and duality, right? So now we are moving to the opening and closing. Okay, opening and closing. So in this class, I will explain opening and closing. Okay, so only one I explain, opening and closing. Next class we'll move on to the 8 terms. So opening and closing. And this reason, before going to this, we people know I sent an email through your Google Classroom. So maybe next 14 days, maybe it's in lockdown, Janta curfew is announced by government. So what are the dates I mentioned in the Google Classroom? So in between the days, you should show the output. Otherwise, definitely you lost the marks. So I never, tell again and again. So you lost the marks, and once I finalize the marks, definitely So how much marks you reduced because of late submissions. Okay. So you are there about time. Time is very precious for us. Okay. Okay, fine. I hope you all of you understand. So opening and closing. So in this section, these are the two very important morphological operations. One is opening and closing. What is opening? Opening means it generally smooths the contour of an object. It smooths the contour of an object, breaks narrow, okay, isthmuses and eliminates thin portions. Some of the portions means portions. Some of the portions it's removed, eliminates the thin portions. What is closing? It's also tells smooth sections. It's of contour, but it is opposite to opening. Okay, it generally fuses narrow breaks and long thin gulfs, eliminates small holes and fills gaps in the contour. Okay, closing means it's closed, it's used for the some of the portions. Okay, what are the equations you are using? Opening you are using. See here, opening is a set A. You people know what is A, what is set A and all, right? Okay. Yeah, the equations are A. What is A? Answer join Nagrata. Again and again, you people join. Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
So the opening is a set A by structuring element B. See in the whole chapter, what is A means set, I means it's a whole image, A means inside the whole, inside the I, or we call it as an it's a set A or it's a foreground pixel. Okay, structuring elements means B or B cap. And here, see here, opening and closing. Opening means A by structuring element. B is denoted by A opening of B. I think maybe in between A and B we put a circle, it's an open. We called A open B. Okay. A is in, maybe what is A? A is a set. B means is a structuring element. Now we apply erosion here. So A erosion by B. And then after that we add the diluted with B. So A erosion by B and then output of the A erosion B is dilution with B. B means is the structuring elements. So thus we are applying opening of A by B is the erosion of A by B and followed by the dilutions of the result by B. Okay, results, the dilutions of A minus B or A erosion B is diluted with the structuring element B. So thus these are the opening. Similarly, the what is closing? Closing means is a set of A by structuring elements B. It denoted by A close B. I think maybe in between the A and B you are with a circle. So dot should be closed. It's called closed. So A dot B is equal to A C here. A dilute with B, and then result A dilute the dilutions of A by B. After that, A by B is what is the output of the A diluted B is erosion with B. Okay, which says the closing of A by B is simply the dilutions of A by B followed by erosions of the results by B. Equation, what are the two equations are there? This, the 9.10 equation is a simple geometric interpretations. The opening of A by B is the union of all the translations of B so that B fits entirely in A. So this is the one of the example for opening. So here we took image. Here we took image. So this is the image I. So this is the background pixel. What is A is a set. Is called another name is called a foreground pixels. And then here we are use a this is an structuring elements B. It's in the circle. It's like in circle, but in the point is like in middle point. So what is the point indicates middle. Okay, and then is a shaded one. So just we fill. So what is the equations? Is translations of B while being a containing in A. Okay, first we do the B is filling. It's in closing, right? It's a closed. Closed means it's inside the object or inside the set. We can fill this B. B means it's an structuring element. Okay, after that, see A dot B, A open B. See here, when you fill the some of the gaps are removed. See, some of the gaps are there in these corners and also in the middle. So here we remove these portions, and then now, so now you know the structure of A and B. Okay, A open with B. See, this is the A when the structuring elements is inside the B. So this is called opening. Okay, so this is figure shows there is a set of object A and B is a solid circular structuring elements you are using here. After that, we figure show the same translations of B such that it containing it way is set as shown a shaded figure in 9 point D is a union of all such possible here all such possible translations. Observe that in this case, the opening is a set of composed of two disjoint subsets resulting from the fact that B could not fit the narrow segments. See, B is not fit in the narrow segments. Okay, in the opening, you know, maybe this is the narrow segments here. B is not fit in the narrow segments. See, in this corner, in this corner, in this corner. So B is not fit in the corner. Okay. So, and then resulting from the fact that B could not fit in the narrow segments in the center of A. As you will see shortly, the ability of eliminate regions narrower than the structuring elements is one of the key features of morphological opening. The interpretations that the opening of A by B is the union of all the translations of B, such that B fits here B fits entirely within A can be written as equation in the form. The interpretation that opening of A by B is the union of all the translations of B such that B fits entirely within A can be written in the equation of A open B is equal to union of B of such that it's a translations of B and then it's containing in A. So you denote the union. So you denote the union is set of all sets inside the braces. Closing has similar geometric operations. See here, closing has similar geometric operations. But here, the closing means the structuring elements, it's outside the uh, set, okay, or object. So it's like a similar geometric interpretations, except that how we translate B outside of B. So how we translate B outside of A. So the closing is then is a complement of the union of all translations of B that do not overlap A. So figure 9 point here 9 it shows the figure. It's a concept. No, it's a boundary of the closing is determined by the furthermost points B could reach without going inside any part of A. Based on these interpretations, we can write the closing of A by B as, see here, A by B is equal to union of union of in the braces of B of Z. It means it's such that Z means what is the translation, and then your B of Z is again its intersect with A is equal to 0, and again it's a complement. Means what? See here in the figure shows this is an image I, the background pixels. It's a background pixel image I, and A is in set, okay, and then here is in structuring elements B, and then where B is translations of B set that B does not overlap any part of the A. So this is the A, so it does not overlap any part of the A. So we outside the A, so B is fit outside the A. Okay, and then for clarity, and then closing of A by B here. So what we do here, A plus B minus of B again. So what is closing? Closing means, so first we had A plus B. A means it's an object or set, and then plus B. B is an structuring element. After that again is erosion with B. So this is the output. Means it's a smoothing purpose you are using. See here, this is it's a sharp, right? This portion is sharp. When we use structuring elements, the image is smooth. Okay, smoothing purpose we are using. And then example, this is the morphological opening and closing examples. So this is the morphological opening and closing. This is the image I. Is a composed of set or object A and background. A solid circular structuring elements is shown, and dot is the origin point, and this is the A, the foreground pixel, or we A called a set or foreground pixel. So B is an structuring element of area of positions. Here, when B is put into the sum of the portions, for what purpose you are using? The purpose of using the purpose. What purpose you are using? The purpose of using the smoothing the image, right? So here morphological operation using obtain opening and closing. So we apply this structuring elements to this image. See here the dot, and then outside we fit. Okay, here outside the fit. After that, see here when you close. After that we know the positions. Means it's fit. It's inside the fit is closing. It's called, okay. See, first we have A minus B. So this is the image, and then you put, and then A minus B's are separate. Okay, as like here. So it's like separate means we had the B inside the structuring elements, inside the structuring elements. Then it's separate. It's called A minus B. Okay, A minus B. What are the operation? How it's operated? A minus B first. After that, here the B structuring elements to in these portions. After that, here A dot B is equal to A minus B of plus B. What is the equation? Here for opening. This is the equations of opening. A minus B plus of B. Same thing here we show. So first A minus B. After that, we add the B. Add the B. See here B is added here. So when you add the B, A opening B is equal to A erosion B and diluted with B. Output of the A erosion B is add or dilute with B. So this is the output. And then again we take this, and then it's an for closing. Okay. For closing means see outside the object or set. Okay. See here we object is put outside the object. So after that here A plus B. Okay, add with B. So add with this. This is the dotted lines, right? This is the dotted lines are the original. So this is the original image. After that, after addition with the structural elements, this is the output. Finally, we remove the dotted lines, and then what is the output here? A plus B. This is the A diluted with B. After that, we know maybe is again we minus with B. So this one is again we structuring element is erosion with B. See, the output of the A plus B is here. We using the structuring elements is erode the A plus B. Okay, A plus B of output is eroded with B, right? So this one, and then what is the output is? So this is the output here. A dilution B, output of the A dilution B is erosion by B. Okay, this is the one of the examples. Here we show the show the image containing the object A. One thing you should understand what is opening and closing. What is opening? Opening means it's an inside. Closing means it's outside the object, outside the set. So here first show the image containing A, and then you show position structuring elements, and then here how the bridge between the two main sections was eliminated. Its width was thin in the relations of the diameter of the structuring elements, which could not be completely contained in this part of the set, thus violating the definitions of erosion. The same was true of the two rightmost members of the object, is producing element where the disk did not fit were eliminated. So 9.10 shows the processing of diluting and eroded set. So figure 9.10 shows the final result of opening. Morphological opening removes regions that cannot be contained the structuring elements, smooth the object contours. It breaks thin connections and removes thin portions. Okay, and then in the figure F, these are the figure F, G, okay, H. So figure F through the result is for closing with the same structuring elements as their opening and closing. So smoothing the contours of the object. However, unlike opening, closing tends to join narrow breaks, fills long thin gulf, and fills objects smaller than the structuring element. In this example, the principal results of closing was that it filled the small gulf on the left of set A. See, next, as with erosion and dilution, opening and closings are delts of each other with respect to set complementations and reflections. Complementation and reflections. For example, so this is complementation. So B cap. So B is an object. B cap means this is the reflection, not complement. So A to the power of C or A opening B to the power of C means this is the complement, is equal to A complement closing with B cap. B cap means B reflection. Same thing, A closed. Okay, it's not opened. A closed B of complement is equal to A complement open with B reflection. Okay, morphological opening as the following some of the properties are there. A opening B is a subset of A. A opening B. Okay, this is for the opening purpose. And then if C is subset of D, then C opening B is the subset of D opening B. Okay, D opening B. And A opening B of opening B is equal to A opening B. Means if you use as two structuring elements, it's no use here because A opening B of opening B is equal to A opening B. And then for closing also some of the properties are there. So A is a subset of A close B. So in that, first in the opening, what we studied, A opening B is a subset of A. But in this, A is subset of A close B. If C is subset of D, if C is subset of D, then C close B is subset of D close B. A close B of close B is equal to A close B. So note from condition C here, in both the cases, that multiple opening or closing of the set have no effect. I already explained it's no effect on the operations has been once. Okay, this is an example of opening of morphological opening and closing of morphological operations. See, this is the structuring elements. I already explained the what is structuring elements. Structuring elements acts like a filter here. So this is A. So this is the foreground pixels, A minus B. Okay, what is this A minus A erosion B? A erosion B means you are using a all ones. B is its, so when A erosion with B, this is the output, means it's erased the sum of the dots. And then again, so this is the A minus B plus B. So here we had again addition here, not here erosion, here dilution with the B. Okay, and then so this is the A open with B plus B. Again for this image, we this is the A dot B, right? So this is the image, this is the image. So this is the image of A erosion B, and this is the image of A minus B plus dilution, dilute the B. A minus B means A erosion with B of dilution with the output of the A erosion B is diluted with B is equal to A opening B. A opening B with of diluted with B. Okay, diluted B, dilution with B. So this is the output. After that, this is A opening B plus B minus B is called A opening B of close B. Okay, means we are addition. Sorry, yeah, addition with a B. So this is the noisy image we added. This is the subtracting element. This is the eroded image. This is the dilutions of the erosion, opening of A. This is the dilutions of opening, and then this is the closing of A. Because this is the noisy element. This is the structuring element. Okay, and then this is the eroded image, and this is the sorry, and this is the diluted of erosion, means opening of A. This is the dilutions of opening, and this is the closing of opening. Okay, the morphological operations has been used to construct so morphological operations can be used to construct filters similar to the concept of spatial filters. See here, this is based on the spatial filter. We already studied spatial filters too in the last unit. The binary image in 9.1a, this shows the sections of the fingerprint corrupted by noise. So when you took in low resolutions or noisy image, in terms of our previous notations, A is a set of all the foreground, means white pixels, and which includes objects of the interest, the fingerprint rates, as well as white peaks of random noise. The background is black as before, the noise manifests itself as white peaks on the dark background and dark peaks on the white component of the fingerprint. The objective is to eliminate the noise and its effects on the print while destroying it as little as possible. A morphological filter consists of an opening followed by closing can be used to accomplish this objective. Okay, figure 9.11b show the structuring elements we used. We used 9.11c is the result of eroding by A. This one, figure C. Okay, and then is eroding A by B, erosion by B, and then white speckles noise is in the background, so was eliminated almost completely in the erosion stage of opening, because in this case most of the noise components are smaller than the structuring elements. Okay, and then the size of the noise elements is dark spots contained within the fingerprint actually increased in size. The reasons is that the eliminations of the inner boundaries that increases the size of the objects are eroded. So this enlargement is controlled by performing the dilutions of figure C, and figure D show the result. The two operations are just described in constitute of opening of A by B. Note that 9.11d that the net effect of opening was reduce all the noise components. See in this. Okay, A, B, C, D. Net effect is effect. Okay, after that we diluted. See in the D, net effect of opening was reduce all noise components in both the background and for fingerprint itself. However, new gaps between the fingerprints ridges were created that counter this undesirable effect. We perform dilutions on the opening as shown in the figure E. So, E. And then and most of the breaks were restored, but in the ridges were thickened. The conditions that was remained by erosion, the result shown in the figure 9.11F. The closing of the opening is in the 11D. The final result of remarkable clean of noisy speckles, noisy peaks, but it still shows some of the peaks of noise that appear on the single pixel. See, some of the noises are here. Why? Because of our structuring elements, it cannot the structuring element based on the structuring element. Because our filter, our structuring elements, is smaller than the noise. So that's why. That's the reason. Okay, I will stop here. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, I will take the attendance. Others? Akash?
Present, sir.
Akhilesh?
Present, sir.
Anubhav? Anubhav? Anusha MS? Arjun?
Present, sir.
Aisha Akhil?
Present, sir.
ICG Jain? Bhumika Rani B? Bhumika V?
Present, sir.
Dinesh? Dinesh and Naik? HS Prajwal? Jagdish?
Present, sir.
Lasita? Likit MN?
Present, sir.
Mahendra Chan?
Present, sir.
Monish SR? Kedareshwar Rao?
Present, sir.
Rutvik? Sahana P?
Present, sir.
Shivkumar?
Present, sir.
Shobhit Naik? Isha Agde?
Present, sir.
Shrestha?
Present, sir.
Shreyas K?
Present, sir.
Shreyas KM?
Present, sir.
Srikant R. Malagi?